So one of the things that you can do in Jotform is work around with the Text Resizer Widget. So if I were to actually go ahead and preview out the form right here, then you'll be able to see the text size is certain. But if you want to give the users an option to change out the text size, then what you can do is you can go ahead and use the Text Resizer Widget. So to do that, you can click on Add Element and then go to Widgets right here. Then what you can do is type in text right here. And then I'm going to say resizer right here. So that's the text resizer. So if I were to go ahead and click right here, it says the text zoom buttons will appear on the top. There's not much that you can do with the settings right here. It's just like a default thing that appears on the top. So once this widget is inserted, and if you were to go ahead and preview out the form right here, then what happens is that you can see the text resizer button right here. So if I were to click on plus, you can see that all of the text resizes out right here. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and keep this over here on the top itself right here. And once I do that and then preview out the form, I can go ahead and click on the plus to increase out the size and click on the minus to decrease out the size of the text that you have in the form just like this. So that is how you can go ahead and work around with the Text Resizer widget inside of Jotform. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.